Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening YouTube TV and signing into the exact account that owns the DVR. Once done, go straight to Library and choose Recordings. This shows only what's stored. You should scan for the exact title, series versus single episode matters because deletion options differ. Make sure you're on the same profile and device you used to record. Otherwise, you might not see all items. Now select the program you want to remove so you can take the next action. Once you open the program details, you'll see Remove or Stop Recording. Choose based on whether you want one episode gone or the whole series removed. If it's a series, choose Remove Series to free space and stop future recordings. For single episodes, pick Remove Episode. Confirm the on-screen prompt. That final confirmation prevents accidental loss. If you change your mind before confirming, back out. Otherwise, the item will be queued for deletion across. After confirming deletion, refresh the library or close and reopen the app so YouTube TV syncs the change. You should verify on another device or the web interface to ensure the recording is gone everywhere. If a deleted item still appears or re-downloads, sign out and sign back in or clear the app cache. That resolves most sync and display issues. If problems continue, update the app and repeat deletion steps to enforce the change across platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.